miss?
Where'd that hit?
It looked like it hit to the right of it.
To the right of the bottle?
Yeah.
That's where I'm shooting.
Okay. Hit the bottle on the right. You're fucking dead nuts. Get the Tannerite. Let's do this shit. Woo! 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 Did you feel that, fucker?
Oh, look at that
I
smoke.
felt that all the way up here.
I felt it. Where's my breath hole?
Brass right over here.
Dude, that was fucking sick.
What was that, 5 pounds?
2.5 pounds.
Yeah, I hope that smoke goes away soon. Now the Rangers are on.
It's a campfire.